Benanyako Machi Banano na me pese me ka kire adofo ani etiefu nyina se ni aba no me de tudwa no bia hu nia asie ebe kakra no menua no oyare kakra na ne ho emfa no yene kwa yare sabia ni mpaibo ani ade ese nyina na se Nyankopon se ade obeye no obeye obi antumi sisa ade anyame pesoye enti no yene ba Rich Hospital na yese mu id enti ekwekwema enti no enra which is about 5:30 ena onyame eto nisa efre no enti because me kasa cha adofo ne Bishop manage ne fan fo nyina say near media eka no no kwe ne mom no nyame afre no e wa asomdwe mu na momfa empaibo enta echi say nyame hye especially ye maame edi because maame no e ba sa no ahal bebre enti no mempese ubi abeka se na nyame ina afre no e wo asomdwe mu nyame enhyira mu na mom na hye bia ho bia no ye ma adofo nyina ati se bia se ne be ya obi akoma beton yam nti asema ba no no kre se Bishop Bernard Nyako onyame ato ne nsa afre no menua ekitwa no machiri ba no nti momfa mpaibo enta echi na momfa musunsum ta echi se be ya yesu no Nyankopon be shede na ne aba no yesu bitima gina iti bi dadofo nyina ase ene media ene ne fan Onyankopon enhyira mo mo mpaibo amreta echi na me hyira bebre nipa bebre kan se bebre na omse say de be bosom de be we oyese ba mpesem ka kire tiefo nyina se ni omu hu na nyesa na yehu no because omu no munim ni oma ekoso omu de atesem na metiwe dabi ba omu mo ni anso mehwe yie because ade no hu na oka na senya ne kura asotwe beba osonti mesom bebre se ubehwe yie won nsem bia mo ka we awo media nti mesom bebre nyame na frɛ no o nyame ba is a man of God nyame ato nsa frɛ no nti o ka asem bia bomode amesrew hwene yie because enye nsem nyina na sebe ese ubi wa no naka nti o ka asem bia bomode amesrew hwene yie because enye nsem nyina na sebe ese ubi wa no naka asebu akobi wa no ka na di ohaw ne ade adebe abro nti no nyame ato nsa frɛ no nti medamase bebre chadofo nyina se enhihye bia obia no yebema obia ate na isia no yetoto nioma nti ama obia ate enhihye bia obia no nti medadofo ase ene ne fan medobia ase. God bless you guys. I love you guys. You are very grateful. You are very amazing. Onyame hyira mo se mo de mo mpaibo ata Bishop Bernard Nyako adenachi nje se mo abo so enu anko na de maame van no amode e pure water no e ko fa dead body na oyobi a wanya accident we be so that some bomb pies of begun san you didn't know it. This thing came into the house. It was hunting us na ewiase bibia ye mpaibo because it disturbed their imagine say I will end with him because name yase or him pon and nam fam na nkwate ponkoso very painful in my own very eyes me no kono ko ton piota na ba wa ba no na ma didi na me ne ma e rigere de nchina fra Jesus if e be dandlo mo de nsuo gu ho
and dandlo na me no na me no sa emenye Maria na menya wo. There's no food in the house for me to eat with my kids. That's why when I'm acting, I shed tears because these are some of the things that me kai. Na a balance that's why my humble more. I also learned when you are in crisis, you get to know your true friends. Yes. A lot of people are me frabuchi buy wages car, we bejibushia. Me kwa we hear me, all of them turn their back to me. Jesus. And they are the very people who are saying bad things about me. To me, so let me be someone say, we are seeing it. And no man, the beer, me born of the shame cry. Mentias you, that song. So, or say, addition of feminine quarter poncos because me who say, and yet no more. And the age was sleeping to women, and they were against my brother because who say, I dear no more. And now, me mama should lose total control because also no more hypnotizing. Spiritually, no more the mamma question that here. Me name mama kasa and some of me catch mamma no nyanse mo a back catch mamma. The mama also started say okay see me. The idea me say be sumbiano na ye no me. Because na zibabi abejuna between me and my mother. And I said to myself, say, Kwame, what are you fighting for? Now no see me mana ko yi pure water sachet mienu. Me ba bon kolei. Bise mi nua mama kasa and some me catch mama no nyanse mo a ba catch mama. The mama also started say okay see me. The idea me say be sombia no na ye no me. Because na zibabi abejuna between me and my mother. And I said to myself, say, Kwame, what are you fighting for? Now no see me mana ko yi pure water sachet mienu. Me ba bon kolei. Bise mi nua petua somea. After now, 7 minutes so I may take car me. I mean, after now, I'm to say there's some simple fracture. Na kasa no many a barrier be put yet be a yana me can't do quite no. Go police case cannot be 3 or 4 nigga to be 3 bill. Police for it at time. At one time be one the piece I was supposed to have a pack a car. Before the new catch him say almost banner ye caller or catch police with your mama.
Yeah. Your brother no my girlfriend no.
That's right.
Please if you show now what be you.
That's right.
For phone after please was there
because
so they should come and
one person be free for your now yeah, you know, so your ones, your sound, warrior, and it go very sharp. She trust this. It will never be a so much so no will have 17. No, may son a so me has a and me has seen this and it tramia and blood was oozing out of my hair now and me see from far. I part of forest more. I'm to tumble man and be PM and far car. The question I asked myself since a dear morning and my near be an person be never be in a tito. Na abrabono baku phone to me more. Just in the ped, that's your name. And to me, I can't at all joy say, I'm going to put in the good here. I say, Bassa, for now, no, I've learned a lesson. I also realized in this life, if you want to go fast, you go alone. But if you want to go far, you go with somebody. They say, when you know, a man soon, you know, I call.
Free feel. Or no man intend to say.
No friend, my say, go over back, but man, say, again.
Let's tell me so over.
Very change, but let me hear from one another.
Why the tears in your eyes?
The tears in my eyes, you know. I say, I've seen it all. My fajam, my double asuda. Maybe you may please for me. I'm Koda Cemetery. I'm Hadiachi. The tears in my eyes and say, me per se, if you are nipa be a would see more tears, yes. A home brave, a walk runner, you can find free Christ maid or bar, na the boss. The madam couldn't have imagined no scatter be a home brave, what na home brave, a jumum, the dink of wase, Say be able to meet nipa above him. Whatever question I say you cannot fight the righteous. Because Bible say your name sabe can David no. Na sakre wadi ne koshia. I count it all joy say Saturday night by a share me din. Emma meeting one say this is it. My son is shed yes just because many the reason being that and ye me ni ya kwan do na me do be show be do it.